Good morning, and welcome to another episode of the Quote for Today. I'm your host, Michelle Frisby, and I'm so glad you're here. Uncertainty has a way of making us pause. We wait for clarity, for certainty, for a full picture before we move. Today's quote offers a steadier approach. You don't need to see the whole path to take the next step. This quote reminds us that clarity often follows action, not the other way around. When we demand a complete map before we begin, we stay stuck at the starting line. Life rarely reveals the entire route at once. It asks for movement, not mastery. The next step is usually small and close at hand. It doesn't require confidence in the destination, only willingness in the present. When we take that step, something shifts. Momentum replaces hesitation. Trust grows from experience, not prediction. Progress is built one step at a time. Each step teaches you what the next one requires. You don't need to see far ahead to move forward. You only need to be willing to move at all. As you begin your day, allow yourself to focus on one clear, doable step rather than the entire journey. As the day unfolds, notice where waiting for certainty is slowing you down, and gently choose movement instead. And this evening, reflect on how taking one small step created more clarity than standing still. Here's a simple tool to carry with you today. When you feel stuck, ask yourself, what is the smallest next step I can take right now? Then take it. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Momentum begins with movement, and clarity grows through action. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.